we're having a boat ride on the Rhine. Yes, we're going up the Rhine. We came up one side of it, the east side, so we're going across on the ferry over to the west side to carry on for our first stop up in Boppard. We landed this morning. No, what time did we land? Lunchtime. Landed lunchtime in Frankfurt, so a bit tired now. We've done one quick stop, but we'll go back there because we were a bit late to get there, Rudesheim, so we're going to call back there another day when we're coming back down from trip up north. Now we're headed for Boppard, where we're staying for our first night. Very pretty so far, the towns we've seen, haven't they?
Yeah,
There's very chocolate box. Yeah, this is the hotel, Boppard. It's very nice. Restaurant breakfast area and the bigger restaurant over to the left. It's very nice looking actually. It is. Bigger restaurant there.
He was waiting actually till 6. He worked till 5. I make him wait for 1 hour, but he told me my kids waiting for me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So this I get it for the driver.
Yes, right.
And do you need any more information? The breakfast is here. He was already here. Okay.
Oh, the old telephone kiosk.
There is a second elevator if you want.
So is this open? What do you want? What?
Oh, I wish you a great day.
Okay. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Looks like one of. Cigars, whiskey and rum, yeah?
Cigars, whiskey and rum. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How it was. I am a sucker for the then and now pictures.
That's lovely.
So this is our room in the Bellevue Hotel, Boppard. So go through the door. We've got hanging space with nice little bag and bathrobes. Cupboard with safe. Shoehorn and laundry bag. Plenty of space there. Double wardrobe, and they got a fan, which is good news because it's pretty warm, so much warmer than we anticipated actually. Much warmer than we anticipated. So no pad and pen, pencil, work table, bathroom opposite. Oh, the bathroom looks good. The shower looks alright.
Yeah, towels are lovely. So, monogrammed.
Stool to do your makeup. TV. Fridge. Mini fridge.
Is it a fridge?
Yeah, the drinks in there, we won't touch them.
There's water there.
Yes, there's the water there with
Is
those.
that complimentary?
Probably not.
You don't think so?
No, wouldn't have thought so.
This cute. Go take a look.
Yeah.
Have a look at that.
Headboards are stylish with the
Yes, very nice. It's lovely.
monogram there. Yeah, so it's it's a double, but it's two singles pushed together.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it'll do. It was only one night. And then we're out the back of the hotel and we've got a little balcony, not much of a view, but never mind. Oh yeah, opened the window. I thought it was loud. So let's go
You have to plug that fan in.
on the balcony. Have a look, see. Not a great view, but well, but not bad actually up there. We've had worse views. So we need to go out and get something to eat, I think. So it's outside the Hotel Bellevue. Shame we haven't got a front room, but that was probably a couple of euros more, that was. The size in some of these Rhine cruise ships, boats. Huge. Okay, let's take a quick stroll around Boppard, see what we can find.